Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Voyage, Valencia and Maniology M229. Here is Voyage by Valencia. It's a solar thermal. I've already got my base coat on. I'm sorry. Nailtiques Formula 2. And here we go with our first coat of Valencia. Now this one, a lot like the other one, says it's solar thermal, but I believe it's just pretty much a thermal. You know, take that with a grain of salt. I'm not a professional or I'm not a polish maker, so I don't really know all the ins and outs, but you can see that it changes to from pink to yellow, and it might change a little bit out in the sun, but if it is changing, it's so quick that by the time, you know, I turn my hand around and try to look, it's already changed. But I really do like the pink and yellow with the little white specks in it. I am going to top this one without the door from INM, and you can see that color change. It's kind of wild looking. This is totally giving me some pink lemonade vibes. I mean, gonna cap my free edge there. So ta-da, here's my swatch photo of it on its own. And today we're going to be playing with Maniology M229. It's one of those scene plates that I love so much. And I'm going to clean it off with some acetone after removing the plastic film. I'll be using On the Black by Bases Loaded, my Monocle stamper, and my new scraper from La Cazadora. I like it. It's big, and it's taking me a little bit of time to get used to it because I like the smaller scrapers, but it's okay. I'm going to remove a little bit of excess stamping off of that with a little piece of tape. And I didn't line this one up very good, you know, between the awkward thumb position and the camera and everything, but it's okay. I do clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and I'm cleaning that plate with pure acetone. I'm working my way across the plate, just trying to use all of the image on all of the nails, you know, just kind of a little bit of each bit of it and run it across the nails. And I could have got a little more snazzy jazzy with this one, but I didn't want to cover up too much of the base polish. I still wanted to be able to, you know, see it change and all that good stuff. You know, watch those color changes. Hot water, cold water, loving to play in the bathroom like a little kid. So here we go. And this was one of the recent plates that I picked up from my last little Maniology haul that I did. That was in my hauling and chatting video. I am going to try to work through all of this stuff. My need to use box is huge. And it's still growing. But I really do like this image. It's like clouds and suns or whatever. You know, swirlies, and it's just, I liked it. I liked it, so, you know, I have to use it. And that one, I'm not getting all of the image, so I'm going to go ahead and clean that off. I was being chintzy with the stamping polish, and so I'm going to have to put a little bit more on there, because there's big open pieces like that right there in the corner that I'm trying to get. So there we go. I'm going to give it a scrape, and there we go. It picked up fine. I'm going to go ahead and just stamp that on my pinky nail. Ta-da! And if y'all hear any smacking or whatever, Hutton's got a special bone today, and he's got to be right here beside me. So when I go to clean my plates, I clean them, and then I re-clean them again with the fresh side of the cotton ball and wipe them with a paper towel. I do like to do that. I also clean my little mat with my acetone and my cotton claw with the cotton ball on it. And as usual, I'm popping in with a piece of tape, trying to get up as much of this excess stamping polish off of my skin. I do have on some Burt's Bees around my cuticles, so it came up quite easy. And now I'm going to hop in with my cleanup brush and kind of fine-tune that cleaning just a little bit. Alrighty, we're going to top this with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And you can see my tips are pink and the rest of them's yellow, so I thought that was pretty cool. And once that top coat is dry, the smudge-free top coat, I'm going to use my Poshe top coat to seal this one in, make it glossy, shiny, and help it dry all down all the way through. That is one thing I love about the Poshe top coat. It seems to dry quickly and through the layers, having that free edge. So here is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.